Oh, oh, oh. So, oh, there we go. Sorry. Had to make sure the camera's right. Alrighty. Back at it with some college algebra. We're going to be doing question number 10 off of exam number 4. It's going to ask us a wheelchair ramp with a length of 13 feet, has a horizontal distance of 12 feet. What is the ramp's vertical distance? So, we actually said as a triangle. So, here's a ramp. And the length of it is 13 feet. So, the longest part right here. Its horizontal distance, or this way, is 12 feet. And we're looking for its vertical distance, which we'll set as x. Alrighty, so the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know what c squared is in this case, and we know what our a squared is. So we're looking for b squared. So it's going to be 12 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. Okay, so how do we solve for this? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. So we're going to go ahead and actually apply the square roots first. So it'll be 144 plus x squared equals 169. Minus 144 to isolate the x. Minus 144 here. X squared equals, and this becomes 25. X squared equals 25. But remember, since it's squared, we want to go ahead and apply our absolute value and square root. So, square root of this and absolute value of x. So, absolute value of x, which the absolute value undoes the squared, equals 5. This becomes a negative and positive 5. So, negative x equals 5, which will become x equals negative 5, and our x equals positive 5. We want this one because it cannot be a negative length. So we know that our x equals 5 now. But it has to be, and that's actually it. Yeah, x equals 5. What we can do from there, like I said, if it was applied to a squared plus b squared, it would be, 25, but obviously we're not doing that. So we can go ahead and actually, if we want to check, we can go ahead and plug it in as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Why not? So 12 squared plus 5 squared equals 169, or 13 squared. Sorry, I put that as 13 squared. 13 squared. So 144 plus 25 does indeed equal 169. This way to check it. Important is to know when you're solving this problem, but the Pythagorean theorem is how to solve for x. Remember, this absolute value does undo this square root and applies, this square, and applies square root to this next one over here. Important to note, and it gives you two values, and you want to choose the one that best fits what you're solving for. And in this case, it was just positive 5. So let's go ahead and write that out, the final answer. The ramp's vertical distance is 5 feet. And that's it. Thanks, Yeet.